Na mbere mundurume wa ukuru wa gatagati-ini ni ahuritwo faini ya shilingi milioni 50 kana kiho kia miaka 30 njera thutha wake kunyitikana na gramu milioni 1.4 cia fagi ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 41 na kurerikana Bernard Waiguru aikirio ngono ituraini ria Kigumo Nyahururu county ya Laikipia na fagi ria ahithite container-ini na kumithaya na mafati na irerikana yarehetwo ni mundu utoikaine mweri umwe na nuthu muhituku.
Mbere ya mucirithania Frederick Larabi wa igoti ria Nyahururu ni kumwikuirwo Bernard Waiguru arakinyirio agikuruhanio na mahitia ma gukorwo na fagi mugaru na watho wa kuhurana na dawa cia kurefia wa mwaka wa 2022. Kurerikana Bernard Waiguru aikirio ngono ituraini ria Kigumo Nyahururu county ya Laikipia na fagi iria ahithite container-ini na irerikana yarehetwo ituraini riri ni mundu toikaine mweri umwe na nuthu muhituku iria ni ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 41. Agikinyaniria itwe riake mucirithania Larabi augite riri ni ihitia riri na uritu muno kuona wendia wa fagi ni wongererekete guku bururi-ini na mwikuirwo arafatara kioho kia iguru.
That Robert went and placed the container on his land before even buying the land and without his knowledge. That he later came to know that the container contained cannabis sativa. That closed the defense case. And the issue for determination is whether the prosecution proved the charge of trafficking cannabis sativa by the accused person.
Larabi ni athire mwikuirwo uyu akundikwo kioho kia miaka 30 kana faini ya shilingi milioni 50 akiuga mwena wa thitango ndunaheana wira muiganu wa kugiriria mwikuirwo uyu oho kioho kia miaka 30.
Circumstances, I do sentence the accused person to pay fine of Kenya shillings 50 million or in default 30 years imprisonment to serve as an example and to deter other members of public engaged in such vice. The accused person was pleaded not guilty. He was granted bond of Kenya shillings 1.5 million with the surety of similar amount.
Na thutha wa kuheo mweke etetere mwikuirwo ndanahota gwitetera hari wira uria ukuheanitwo ni mwena wa thitango na uguo kioho giake kia miaka 30 giakinyanirio angikorwo ndekuhota kuriha faini ya shilingi milioni 50. No na gukirio uguo ni aheirwo thiko 14 cia gucokia cira riko guku igoti rigiathana fagi ino icino mbere ya utongoria wa maafitha borithi a mwena uyu hamwe na maafitha ugima wa mwiri a Nyahururu.
3 bags of cannabis sativa produced as exhibit number 12 is hereby forfeited for destruction in the presence of the DCC Nyahururu, the OCPD Nyahururu, DCI, the OCS Nyahururu, the court administrator, and the public health authorities.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.
Igoti-ini tuthie kaunti ya Nakuru kuria motungata thibitari-ini wa Nakuru War Memorial maya gucokereria rungu rugamiriri wa hau kabere unyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru oro hamwe na wabici ya mucirithania munene agikorwo thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru ni gutia watho wa igoti uria wathanite thibitari uyu uthie na mbere na kuheana motungata. Muthenya wa umuthi MCAs kuma mabunge-ini ya kaunti ya Nakuru mararunganire nginya thibitari-ini uyu makienda uhinguru makiuga kuhingwo kwaguo utigite aikari ya kaunti na mitangiko meigi muno.
Thibitari wa Nakuru War Memorial ukoretwo uhingetwo kwa ihinda iraya thutha wa kugia ngucanio na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru rungu rwa Gavana Susan Kihika thutha wa igoti rinene ria Nakuru gwathana thibitari ucio cokio moko-ini ma rugamiriri a hau kabere undu uria thirikari ya Nakuru yareganire nario. Na thutha wa thirikari ya Susan Kihika kwa gutea watho wa igoti gikundi kia MCAs gitongoretio ni MCA wa wadi ya Menengai Wilson Mwangi nikiruruganite nginyagia thibitari-ini ucio gutigirira no wahingurwo.
Mosire ithu andu a Nakuru twauga ringi uhoro wa kutindaga hindi ciothe tukiriragira nyumba tutigwetekera ringi twauga thibitari wa War Memorial wambiririe wira immediately wambie guka kuhe andu aitu services cia dialysis agikura andu marathie Nairobi na Eldoret na kuria kungi twina thibitari itu guku tutingietekera.
We as the representative of the people, we decided that we come here today to ensure that the hospital is open because our people are suffering and they need the service.
Oho mwagikana wa Jeff ni oritie Governor Susan Kihika gutariria kuria kigina kia waki wa rugiri thibitari-ini ucio kuria kiumite kuona gitire budget-ini.
Executive ya Naikuru niyo yokire na ikihingiria thibitari ino, na riria yahingithirie ni yacokire gukigia na andu mokire nginya makeiriga rugiri. Ni twendakuria wa mbere tukoria atiriri no wairigire rugiri ruru mbeca ciaumire ku akoti mikorera arutwo na nja nigetha yukeie mugunda uyu.
Condition that was also given by the court is that the management shall be responsible for the running and control of the hospital. So it gives them the right to run the hospital. So from our side as the oversight team, we therefore decided that we have to take a step to ensure that we facilitate the opening and the operation in the hospital.
Mwene wake MCA wa wadi ya Viwandani Mwangi Muraya oigite mehokeirwo wira wa kunyabara uruti wira wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru, huku mutongoria wa arenge Wilson Mutai akiuga watho wa igoti no nginyagio teo.
Thibitari no ya War Memorial, it is among the best iria cibatie gukorwo ikiruta wira ucio wa dialysis. Riu kiria turenda kuria ni atiriri andu aria matarari wira kuma hindi iria thibitari no yahingurirwo ni tura hope ni megucoka wira tondu services ni iku resume.
Hospital Nakuru War Memorial Limited shall be opened immediately. And when we talk about immediately, if the court order was issued on 1st and today is 9th, then this thing should actually have been done on or before 7th of the month.
Kuringana na itua ria igoti urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ugukorwo hamwe na unyitaniri wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru, urugamiriri wa nahau kabere wa thibitari uyu, wabici ya mucirithania munene oro undu umwe na ruhonge rwa wandikithia wa migunda
uka kurumirira watho ria wauga ati thibitari hingurwo na nigetha tumenye hindi iyo yakinya ni tukerwo thibitari ni yao na uria wacindwo ainuke.
Kameme TV ngikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.
Riboti ya Gitau wa Wanjiku niho tugwikira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma Matuuraini gukinyira ithaa riu nie njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu, mutauri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Nyambura wa Mucari. Kana muthenya wa rucio ukorwo githaitira maria maturigiceirie yana utuko mwega.